Hey guys, in this video today I'm gonna show you how to make thumbnail like this. Wait. Yeah, like this. Alright, let's get started. First, you need to have this and this background eraser and paste. And then go here and go to the Roblox. And go to the Roblox, guys. Alright. And then search game do you want to make the thumbnail. For example, I don't know. Oops. What I'm pressing. Wait. For example, game. Okay, Brookhaven. And then screenshot it. Okay, I get it. And then go to the avatar. The next tutorial is not this. Use animation. What do you want? Alright, like I want ninja. And quick screenshot it. And if you can go to the background eraser. Do you guys understand? And stop when I back English again. And then finish the background, but I always use this to remove the background. Okay, boom. Hello. My cousin want I play Minecraft with him. Right, music right there. But not choosing a music, guys. Alright, and then she move like this. And then save it. And done. And done. And then wait. Okay, and then go to this picture. Alright. I'm waiting. Okay. Okay. And then go to the Brookhaven. Perfect. Wait, I'm wrong. First. Okay, again. Alright, and first tools, and then Chrome, and this. Alright, cool, and chip. Be careful. Alright, the app link here in description. And then go to the output. Okay, this is, and then like this. Cool. Okay, and then wait, not this. Okay, not this, wrong. And then search shadow, yes, this. Alright, just make blue just and then you guys can add the text, for example I play Brookhaven. Alright, like this. And then save it. Okay guys, I'm finally done making thumbnail and curse this. Boom. Here we go. And maybe skip it. And press save. Right, like that. Okay. Perfect. And then go to the YT Studio back again. And well, go to the video and just make the stream only, guys. Okay, the stream. The stream. And pause the video. Right, to make a thumbnail, to add the thumbnail, press this, and then press this, and press change, and select. Perfect. And well done. Okay, well done, guys. Alright. so. Well, guys, I think right here only. I hope you guys subscribe my channel for the next video. Okay, bye.